But also what we found is that if you're not a content expert, you can't get the AI to produce quality work.
Yeah.
I see this all the time where like I'll just go and I'll do a phrase to the AI and it will do what I want, and then somebody else and it won't. It's because you have to have content knowledge. Absolutely have to have content knowledge. The AI will, you don't have to recall all of the knowledge instantaneously, right? So it's not like, quick, tell me 1,000 times 34, right? You don't
Mhm.
have to, because it, but you have to know what, excuse me, 1,000 times 34 will look like. Otherwise, it
Mhm.
might give you 340, and you're like, oh, right? You have to know the content so that when you look at what it gives you, you can say, yes, this is correct, or no, this is not correct, and here's where you need to edit it. And so the need for you to learn is still important.